Welcome to Team TAT, my friend. Nara created Team TAT back in 2019 with a big dream in mind. TAT stands for Travel, Automobiles and Technology, and this channel is where these passions come to life. Here on Team TAT, we're all about pushing boundaries. Whether it's exploring hidden travel gems, diving into the exciting world of automobiles, or uncovering the latest in tech, we bring you content that's inspiring, adventurous, and packed with value. But Team TAT is more than just a YouTube channel. It's a growing community of dreamers, doers, and enthusiasts who share a love for discovery and innovation. Our mission is simple: to inspire and connect Sri Lankan enthusiasts of travel, automobiles, and technology, proving that anything is possible when we work together. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. From epic road trips to tech tips and beyond, there's something here for everyone who believes in exploring, innovating, and creating. Together, my friend, anything is possible.